Hey guys, I have another video for you, and also Daisy refuses to get out of the shot, so I'm gonna be working on this video while also trying to deal with a very needy cat at the same time. I have, under a cat, I have a copy of Double Dragon, a Tiger electronic handheld version of it. This game has seen definitely some better days. I don't know what happened to the back here. Like something must have gotten on there, maybe some sort of paint or something. It's got a weird texture to it now. All of the screws are just nice and rusty, which is good. Also, it rattles. I don't know what that's all about. I have no idea what could be happening inside there that's causing it to make this sound. What do you guys think that's in there? Leave a comment right now. What do you think is currently rattling around inside this Double Dragon? Do you think maybe, oh, okay, well, I guess I got my workspace back. This video apparently is already too boring for my cat. Yeah, what do you guys think could be inside here? What's rattling around? Do you think maybe it's some buried pirate treasure? Maybe it's maybe it's a capacitor fell off of this? Maybe, you know what? Maybe it's my dignity, because I lost that years ago. I don't know where that is. Anyways, let's open this up. First, let's throw some batteries in it. Oh, so I was not expecting it to turn on. I'm not gonna lie to you. Well, I don't have everything. Oh, batteries fell out. Why am I struggling with it? Okay. On. Start. I'm able to move the rock. Oh, there I am. There I am. Okay, I think that's me. I don't know. Oh, I can make some of me appear. And I'm gone again. Okay, so obviously we have some issues with the screen here. And like I said, it is rattling, which it is not supposed to be rattling. So let's take this apart and try to figure out what in the world is happening inside this. Look at how rusty these screws are. Oh man, this clearly has not been left in the best condition considering how rusty these screws are. Just in case anyone's watching this thinking I neglected my Double Dragon Tiger handheld, this was not mine. It was actually my buddy Rob's. I don't know where he got it from. What? There are two? Why? Why are there two paper clips in here? I genuinely thought maybe like a part fell off this. There's two paper. This isn't the first thing I've opened that had paper clips in it. What else did I open? Was it, I think it was a Super Nintendo? Yeah, I think. Also Rob's. Okay, Rob, please answer. Why do you have paper clips in things that I open? I'm baffled by that. And what's going on here? What's loose? Something was glued down, but I don't know what this piece was. Okay, well, I'm just gonna remove this. I don't know what this even was, but something was glued down. I still can't believe that this was filled with paper clips. I genuinely can't. Oh, okay. All right, sure. Why not? I just realized I'm not even remotely explaining what I'm doing. So I believe the issue is going to be the fact that the screen is not making a good connection. That's why when I was pressing different areas, different parts of the screen were lighting up. So I'm just taking this apart down to where the screen would be. The screen should be connected with just like a zebra connection. So I am just going to take a look at that, see if the contacts are just really dirty, give it a good cleaning, and see where we end up. Yeah, that's our only bit of connection is this It's our only bit that's connecting. There's another paper clip. How did that even get to oh, whoops. Well, dang it. I was trying to see how that could have even gotten to that point. I just knocked everything loose like a moron. But like, for real, how does that even happen? Now I gotta put all this back together. Dang it, Sean. Oh, that goes there. How does that even happen? I'm so baffled by that. Even though I just put that together, whatever, let's just dump all this out. Because I'm gonna have to clean this. In everything that was possibility in my brain, I didn't think, you know what? It's gonna have paper clips on both sides of the PCB. I'll try to use D-germ to remove whatever markers on the front of this. Okay, I ended up switching to isopropyl alcohol and that worked better. Oops, knocking things all over the place. Switched to my favorite molybdenums. That looks substantially better. It's still pretty scuffed up and it's still pretty rough, but that looks substantially better. I want to clean all this up. Just gonna use cotton swabs and some isopropyl alcohol to clean the board up. Oh, this board is filthy. Ugh, gross. Put those back. Ooh, that looks pretty rough. Just gonna use some whatever cheap random screen cleaner I have laying around here. Let's try to clean the polarizing filter, because that was absolutely crusty. It's still pretty crusty, but it's a lot better. Just gonna drop that in there. And let's clean the screen off. So we're gonna use some isopropyl alcohol, and we're just gonna clean the zebra connector here. And I'm gonna clean where it makes contact. All right, we're gonna see if that's all I needed. We're gonna hope that that's it. Some of these buttons are just so crusty in here. I'm gonna try and tighten this so it makes a good contact, but I don't want to tighten it too much because these weren't exactly made with the best materials possible. So I don't want this to crack or break, but I want to make sure that we have a good solid contact between those pins there and the actual zebra connector. So I think I figured out how at least the paper clip got into where the speaker compartment, the speaker grill is. So there is this gap here, so I'm guessing one of them just rattled around in here and then somehow slipped under that. They just like drop them in? I don't know. Man, kids are weird. All right, I'm not gonna fully put this together. Whoa! Okay. Things are happening on screen. Oh no, it's still not making great contact. Oh, you can see the problem is still the contact. Okay. Shoot, okay. So we're gonna have to take this all back apart again. Bummer, all right. Okay, this may not work. So this essentially is just not making enough pressure on here. Clearly this is just kind of, I'm guessing, lost its shape. It's gotten squished down over the years. I was trying to think, is there maybe a way I could force it back by maybe heating it up? I don't know, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna try to use some like double-sided sticky tape, But I'm not even gonna peel off this other side. This is just kind of thick tape here. And then maybe if I place it on the underside here, where the screen is, like along this plastic, maybe it'll be enough pressure to press it against the... Hi, Daisy. You're interrupting. Maybe it'll be enough pressure. I don't know. Realistically, these devices were disposable, so there isn't really a whole lot of thought on repairing them. But I'm trying to save little pieces of history if I can, even if the history is a cheap Tiger handheld. Let me see what I can do. Is that... Well, that's way too thick. I'm gonna have to cut this very, very thin. Also, this double-sided sticky tape's been kind of sitting for a while. I don't know if these pieces have a lot of adhesive to them. But if it works, and I need to get more tape, I can always get more tape. I'm just hoping just adding this much pressure will be enough. If it is, cool. We know now a solution for the future for more of these. Because believe it or not, I have another broken one of these that I have yet to even look at. Not this exact same unit, but another broken Tiger handheld. And the other thing is, if this works really, really, really good, you could always just peel the other side of the tape off and hold it in place. But we don't know this even works at all. So before we even get there, let's find out if this does anything. That's gonna be visible, isn't it? Yeah, it's a little visible. If you're doing this correctly, you would basically make sure each cut was even and make sure everything was measured. I'm just sort of eyeballing stuff. We're just giving it the old eyeball test and going, yeah, that's probably good. Very, very scientific way of doing this. Oh, that one's visible, isn't it? Yeah, that one's very visible. If this doesn't work, we're going back to the drawing boards again, which I do not want to do. This is tape. This is kind of like a foamy material tape, so you can squeeze on it. So I'm hoping that even though it's probably gonna be too much pressure, that it'll just kind of shape itself over time. If it works, we'll find out. Okay. I'm gonna put this back together again. All right, that was kind of a struggle, but we got it back together. I will say, before I even do anything, I am very annoyed that I do see a sliver over here of the foam, and then a tiny little sliver over there. Whatever, this probably isn't even gonna work, so it doesn't matter, and it's all gonna have to come apart anyways, but whatever. All right, let's see what happens. Get in it. Oh, hey, is that everything? No way. Oh, I fixed it. Oh, it's glorious. This is the greatest. Do I have music? Can I? No? Oh. Oh, whoops, I just hit the off button. Imagine this was your just walk to work. You had to beat up a bunch of people. I'm just on my way to Walmart right now. So yeah, this is the entire game. This is just it. This is just, you were walking. Let me punch this guy in the face. I got a cool kick move. That's it. This is the whole game. This was worth all of that time that I spent working on this. Beautiful. What an incredible piece of technology and history. What does status do? Knockout 0? I don't know what any of this does. Anyways, that's working. It does kind of bother me, that little strip of foam there, but hey, it works, okay? And maybe someday in the far, far distant future, I will take this thing back apart and trim that down, but I'm gonna tell you, that's certainly not today. So Anyways, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that was helpful. If you guys have one that's doing that, just this 3M tape work. Just cut this very, very thin, apparently, because otherwise you'll have little bits hanging off there. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy this works, even though that's kind of annoying. But I'm gonna forget about it, and I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have ever repaired one of these that had a similar issue, did you do something smarter than I did? If you have any other suggestions on what would work, let me know. I do have another Tiger handheld that I do need to work on in the future. Let me know if you guys would like to see that, or if this was dumb and you would like less of that. I do want to fix this though. Let me know in the comments. I appreciate all of you as always, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Goodbye, everybody.